Hi everyone, my name is Om Vaiti and I'm a Principal Program Manager on the Office 365 engineering team, and I lead the development of Service Trust Portal and Compliance Manager.
Hi, I'm Scott Schnall, a Senior Program Manager on the Office 365 Customer Experience team, and I led the development of the Microsoft Information and Customer Guidance in Compliance Manager.
Let's talk about Service Trust Portal, also known as STP. The goal is to help you to have a better understanding about STP.
The STP is a one-stop shop for security, regulatory compliance, and privacy information related to the Microsoft Cloud. Here's where we share the information that organizations need to perform due diligence and evaluate our cloud services. On the STP, organizations can find in-depth information including independent third-party audit reports, such as FedRAMP, ISO, and SOC. And in the Data Protection Resources area, you'll find white papers, FAQs, and risk assessment tools. We've also published several documents that map various regulatory requirements to our cloud features. One of our more popular tools is the Office 365 Customer Security Considerations Workbook, which provides organizations with a control mapping and guidance about how to implement each control. We're working on moving this guidance into Compliance Manager, which we'll talk more about in the next section. We're continuously adding information to the STP, including many GDPR-related white papers, and Azure has also published their blueprint documents, which are designed to facilitate the secure and compliant use of Azure across various industries. Now, the Service Trust Portal, which you can get to by going to aka.ms/stp, is a free resource available to everybody. On this resource, you'll find audit reports, data protection resources, Azure security and compliance blueprints, and frequently asked questions. The audit reports include third-party audit reports against a variety of standards, including FedRAMP, ISO, and SOC. The GRC, or Governance, Risk, and Compliance Assessments Reports category, also includes a number of audit reports and certifications from a variety of global standards. So as a customer, if I'm looking for information, for example, about the SOC audit of Microsoft's cloud services, I can simply click on SOC Reports, navigate and find the report I want. For instance, the Azure and Azure Government SOC 2 Type 2 report. And I can click on that report and download it locally for my own use. And when I open the report, what you'll see is all of the information that Microsoft gave to the auditor, in this case about Azure and Azure Government Cloud, and all of the things that the auditor did to test and verify the information that we gave to them. Each of these reports includes information about the services that are in scope, the locations that were tested, any management responses to findings or exceptions that come up in the audit, and other valuable information related to our cloud services and the verification of the controls that we've implemented to protect the data and the privacy of our customers that use them. Other areas include the Data Protection Resources area. And here's where you'll find white papers, FAQs, pen test and security reports, and a variety of risk assessment tools that are designed to make it easy for you to perform self-service risk assessments against our cloud services. We also include a variety of tools. One of our more popular tools, the Customer Security Considerations Workbook, contains guidance that makes a connection between the security and compliance features in our cloud and the regulatory requirements behind them. I know many of you have probably used this tool, and you'll be happy to know that the guidance and the information that we included in this tool is being rolled into the new Compliance Manager tool that we've deployed to the STP, and that will give you a much more full-featured, workflow-based risk assessment tool for you to use against Microsoft Cloud Services. Other resources include a frequently asked questions area, and this includes FAQs and answers for both the Service Trust Portal and the Compliance Manager tool itself. The STP also features a wonderful search feature. I can click on the search icon here, I can type in my search term and press enter, and within a moment I get search results across all of the STP pages and all the documents that exist on there. I have the ability to further filter my search results if I want to, or if I see the document I'm looking for, I can simply click on it to download it immediately. The Service Trust Portal is available today for Azure, Dynamics, Office, Windows, Intune, and other cloud services. As I mentioned earlier, it's free, but there are some protected resources on the SDP that require non-disclosure agreements and authentication using your Azure Active Directory account from your paid or trial tenant. In addition to providing in-depth information, we also empower organizations to take actions to improve their data protection capabilities and overall compliance posture. Organizations can use Compliance Manager to manage their compliance activities, assign, track, record their control implementation, and generate richly detailed reports for auditors and regulators.
Another fascinating thing about SDP is that it aggregates information across Microsoft Cloud services. Our goal is to provide one platform for organizations to get all they need around security, compliance, and privacy. We're also adding more tools to empower your organizations. So watch for more information about upcoming features. We hope you find this helpful for understanding more about the SDP. You can explore and use SDP today at aka.ms/stp.